What's going on, guys and gals? Brad here for Elite Sports Cards, and I am ripping one box of 2016 Leaf Signature Series Wrestling for Johnny N. Good luck, Johnny. See what you got, man. First hit, autograph, Christopher Daniels. Right behind it, that's the Barbarian. Autograph, pink auto, Dennis CONDREY. And 17/50, Gerald BRISCO. And right here, Hall of Fame, Nick Bockwinkel. (34/50), Kevin Sullivan. Dual autograph, Ring Showdowns. 2/3, Rick Steiner and Vincent. I did not. Not me. I know Rich wants it. Nice hit right there. Right behind it is Dynamite Kid, closing out the box. And that will do it for the box. There you go, Johnny N. Congrats, man. Nice hit in there. We'll get that right out to you, bud, and thank you for your purchase.